The movie's ending was intentionally left slightly ambiguous to spark fan theories about Kumiko's future. Aoi's minimal screen time and absence from key moments led to fan speculation of a deeper conflict never fully revealed. The Omagari fireworks scene's intense detail required animators to study real-world firework displays for accuracy. Nozomi's internal struggles and career aspirations were heavily influenced by real-life experiences shared by the production staff. The unusually high focus on percussion instruments' technicality stemmed from the director's personal passion for drums.